If you already got your first online store or landing page or website, whatever business you are in, the next logical step is to get in front of audience and build a customer list. Here are the 5 steps to build your email list from scratch. Step number 1, get an email marketing tool. This is very critical for your success. You can use paid or free tools. The options are unlimited. The most preferred email platform for beginners is MailChimp. For e-commerce, it is Klaviyo. With MailChimp, you can start for free. Step number 2, create an offer you can exchange for email address. Example, if you are running an online store, you can offer a 10% discount by submitting their email ID, or if you are into B2B, you can offer a white paper download in exchange to the email address. Step number 3, build a landing page or pop-up on your website or a sticky banner on the header to collect the email. Step number 4, advertise your email gated offer. You can use social channel or search to advertise your offer to your target audience. Step number 5, start sending regular emails to your list. Be consistent and make sure your email add value to the users.